Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Rob. Thanks for tuning into the Robs of Knowledge YouTube channel, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to replace the battery in your TileMate tracker. Now, one of the features of the TileMate tracker is the removable battery, so it's going to be quite a simple video as it's made to be removed, but just in case some of you didn't know, you're not sure what type of battery, we're going to go ahead and show you that now. So you got your TileMate here. As you can tell, this one's a little worn out. It's been on my keys and they get slidden around all the time, going through security checkpoints at my work and stuff like that. So what we're going to do, you just flip it over. You have tile on one side, you flip it over. Here's the little battery door. There's some ridges on it to help you grip it. You're really just going to press it out and then just comes off just like so. And what we have inside of there is a Energizer CR1632 battery. See if we can focus. There we go, 1632. So that's exactly what we're going to replace it with. Now I got these on Amazon, only a few dollars. I don't remember the exact amount. I think around $5 for 5 of them. I'll leave the link down below if you want to grab some as well. Super cheap, super easy. So we're just going to pop one of these out and throw it in there. I do recommend getting like Energizer or Duracell. They just seem to last a lot longer than, the cheaper brands. And for good reason, you get what you pay for. So the way to get this battery out of here is there's a little hole up here. That's what I use. I just use a little eyeglass screwdriver. You pop it in there, you pop it out. Make sure you don't mix this up with your other batteries if you have the same brand. So take it out, just dump it out like that. Set it to the side. Now you have your empty compartment. Now the negative side goes down, the positive side goes up. So the positive side is like the smooth side, which normally has the writing. And the negative side on these button cell batteries is the bottom portion. So that's negative, that's positive. It also has a small marking underneath the Energizer logo right there. So we're just gonna go ahead and pop this baby in there, just like so. Our battery door just slides back on, and you're now good to go. If this helped you out, guys, please smack the thumbs up button. It helps me out so much, guys. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time that I post a new video. Till next time, guys, I will see you later. Peace out. Check out some of my other videos on the end screen now.